Hello, in this video we show you the location of the fuses for the headlamp direction control on the Peugeot 207.
Before I show you the location of the fuses, first I'll show you the location of the main fuse boxes on this Peugeot 207. There is one main fuse box in the engine bay area. It's located right there. This is the engine bay fuse box. There are also a couple of other fuses around the battery. The other main fuse box is the fascia fuse box. It's located right there behind this plastic panel, just underneath the steering wheel. To take out the plastic panel, you put your finger in there and you just pull it out. This is the OBD right there, and here are the fuses for the fascia fuse box. If the video is useful, please subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video, I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Next I'll show you a diagram of all the fuse boxes for this Peugeot 207. There is the two main fuse boxes, one in the engine bay and one in the fascia. And then there is two other engine bay fuse boxes, they are little ones around the battery. There's also the fascia 2 fuse box right there. It's a small fuse box with a couple of fuses just near the fascia 1 fuse box.
Next I'll show you the location of the fuses for the headlamp level control on this Peugeot 207. Fuses are located in engine bay 1 fuse box. It's F7 fuse, and the other fuse is located in the fascia 1 fuse box, and the fuse there is F10. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.